Me, I'm a traditionalist. I'm a full traditionalist. I believe in the cause of my ancestors. I believe that when I call upon them, they hail to me. And I'm telling you. So be the.
Alright, Abuzavo Medin the Nogokpo artist. Aha, a Ghana TV. Myself say over subscribe to the channel. No for drink cerebra our comment session. I'm sure be brave. Mekum obia or chantoro gumiso. Raph, Abuzavo, Raph say, Nessin Nina or say, Yabono. Ni san, any ni tea apaido. Raph say or no. Or a traditionalist, or no, or sorry, or nimbibia, a sorry dine war. Enti nesne chantre guneso. Enti onu di obeyene se, obebody dia kono, e kiti 12 o'clock. Abuzafo, muma yenko, na yenko share video no, na yembra, na yeba, yebetu aso, na insem no, insem ne wo, hono. Anu e den, papa. And
the lady, no saying in Semebubu, Emma will net dislocation of shoulder, anyone while Kushia baby. Me, Kushia baby. I'm a traditionalist. I'm a full traditionalist. I believe in the cause of my ancestors. I believe that when I call upon them, they hail to me. And I'm telling you. So be the Sakawa, and you're wrong. I will never, as an advocate, sit down and watch that happen. That if Obi and Fan in Sankau and it's a cooked up to cover up the nonsense that has been happening in the hospital. There are hospital medical staffers finding themselves in a situation they ended up in hospital. The way you treat you, they can even attest to this video that that's fair. And even as medical staffers, when who say medical staffers and sana must it be so? We are fixing a system, and I will do this regardless. We have a responsibility and a role to play in fixing our country. You play your own, I play my own, and we fix it. The back crashes and all the noise coming from center, I am focused. I know where I'm going. I know the consequences and the, of our people, the actions that will come. I know because the system has been programmed, which has affected the mind and the thinking of the people, the youth. And you see this? Don't stereotype on me when you see me, because this is an antenna that connects to the universe for me to start thinking like a human.
Right, Abuzafo. Yeah, Raph nani, yeah, fellow Ghanaian. Akwala we no say he's fighting for Ghana, and I say he's fighting for us. This is the time, man. Or so or brain once and this or I think I was reasoning who or 2020 kofo. Next near my bono. My bono. Sisia Raph. Uba usabe chire usabe show power. Yesi and then be show and then I journey ye. Raph. And that we a video be. And that Raph was a video be. Nah, or see. The journalist now or reporting assem no a GHTV no sa journalist no why invading to his security and then abusia for mu de ma yen kwati on no ankasa de okaye na ye ba na ya to aso what ya me shira.
Just as the minister and his team were coming out of a closed-door meeting with the hospital's management, Raph St. Williams, aka fellow Ghanaians, drove in a black vehicle, exchanged pleasantries with the team, and drove back.
Now, upon watching this video, I want to respond to the development so far in this medical negligence issue that happened last 2 days on a Sunday. I've seen a lot of media posts, but I mean the social media ones are not much of a concern, but the ones that comes from the mainstream media, the well trained professional media houses, where proper investigations needs to be carried out, both parties needs to be heard. Even if not both parties, you need to dig more deeper to verify, to authenticate, to get other views. That is what a proper media house does. And respectfully, I greet you, Mr. Bulare, I think the CEO for Star FM and GH1 Media or TV. He's one of the CEOs that I really respect in the media space because I'm somebody who loves fashion, and if you know Bulare, you know he's up to task when it comes to fashion, and I really admire him from afar. But sir, I think you need to call your reporters or your anchors to order, because though you see, you don't just capture things and put it in the public domain without authenticating the purpose and the reasons for those particular scenes you capture to your audience, by vaguely you putting certain things in the public domain to look as if, all right, in this video you watched, the reporter or the anchor read, and I know a reporter might have taken the report and reported it. See, majority of the media houses play this game. I have been in the media space and I know what I'm talking about. This is not about social media. So I heard it when he was reporting that a social media activist. I'm just not a social media activist. And my brother, the fact that you people find yourself in these media spaces, doesn't mean you are intelligent, you are smarter, or anything than some of us. I am telling you, you can be smarter than any of the social media influencers or people that make noise on social media. But Raph, be careful. You know why I'm saying this? Because I take time to do what I do. I am well calculated when I'm doing anything I'm doing in the public space. So when you are around my circle, any day, anytime, be very careful. Especially when you are doing the wrong thing. Be very careful. Especially whatever you're doing has to do with Ghana. Be very careful. Yes, a lot of people might say, oh, I saw Ghana. Yes, also go to Ghana, but I was born in Ghana, I was raised in Ghana, I would die as a Ghanaian, and I'm telling you, be careful when you're around me and you're dealing with Ghana, because I don't know where this spirit came from. I don't know where this energy came from, but I'm telling you, when you are around me, be very careful. Now, the reporter had said that upon an indoor conversation with the medical staff, when the minister was coming out, Raph the fellow Ghanaian, aka Raph the St. Williams, aka Raph the fellow Ghanaians, was seen driving in a black vehicle. That is a breach of security. In fact, I don't care though, but I'm saying that
this guy still have the balls. Still threatening Kofu, catch him say, or see, they have bleached his security, then the apparatus or the whatever. Abusiafo, and no, and I gonna say, Raph, see, yes, the black car bahonumu, and see, ya bleach you security, then. Nah, and ya wona, who sorry, Anna, be piano for camera, at Bisu without their permission. And no, Diana, and ya almost security now bleachiana. Abusiafo, yanko na yanko share video. Raph, Eddie camera atu sitting MP member of parliament. Catch them for say this man has done this, Abusiafo, my yanko na yanko share bra.
Street light and so offer your friend is saying so for la interchange this one Ninia and so Patase Ninia and what's on my way for 8 years. Mr. Seka Kawanutu for parliament now on mine the new finance minister Emekan Yobekaima Ghana for Oria the Mobeka Tosono and the union said Ghana and the best of any mining council. Yes, she says, so we are hoping. Second, then come and what I'm not attacking you, sir. You don't say that. I am not. You've been attacking government. You've been attacking government. I have distanced myself away from you. See why you are doing? Yes, it's not. No, but you are the policeman. You are watching these things. We are watching. We don't need politicians. So don't come and be repeating the same things that will be dragging the country back. You have been in this country for 8 years. You kept quiet. You supported all the nonsense from the previous government, and this shouldn't continue. Thank you.
So Raph did all these nonsense things in Ghana. Why you kwasiade we nyina wo krom ha se and ananado dam kwa kufuado. But today he is claiming say ya bleach ni security and I said then because they said say o the black car and a bar home. But you didn't ask permission before taking pictures of people, videoing people. And then you have mouth to talk. Raph, you have mouth today to talk. We have the CCTV footage of Raph in the rich hospital. Menko Ninkoshe na yembra.